dog statue, Itachi something or other. I've been told this is one of the most busiest intersections in the city, so we'll see what happens. It's pretty crazy here. Yeah, I think we should ask someone. Is that a dog statue? No. That's a dog statue though. I knew it! Let's see. I'm such a pro. Let's see if my friend is here. Dun, 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 dun. Anyone? Anyone? I think I have to call them, yeah.